My keto ground beef casserole is easy, packed with flavor, keto, and gluten-free. To your ground beef, add onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, Dijon mustard, and tomato paste. Mix well to combine. Heat olive oil in a large skillet, add in your ground beef, and cook for about 10 minutes. Add the ground beef to your prepared baking dish in an even layer. Spread frozen green beans evenly over the ground beef. In a bowl, beat 3 eggs. Add heavy cream and evenly pour this mixture over the meat and green beans. Spread grated cheese evenly over top of the casserole. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. You can find more delicious keto recipes on our website.